Hello everybody and welcome to Programmer Pikachu, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a camera follows a character and how to make a second level. So first we are gonna do a camera follows character. First you need to make something like this to your how to say, to your map or game. I did something like this. You can do parkour or something. So first go to events. There are no events. So press here, press this button. So it adds this. Press add action. No need to add an condition. Add action. So go to no, it's not seen. Layers and cameras, and center the camera to an object. Press player. Don't change these. So press OK. Don't change anything. Don't change. Go to my game scene and let's test. So it will load our scene, and if we here. So if we did this, this is our game canvas. So if we didn't did this and we added these, it will go, our character will go there, but camera will stay here. So we don't want this, right? So if it loads, I will. Why it's so slow? Really? Why? It loads. So our game is loaded. If we go, the camera will follow the player, and this is great. So this is cool. So let's move to next one. Where to make another scene, go here and upgrade. Copy and paste. Okay, so it says copy. Move down. And watch this carefully. Press this. Make this. This is important. So inside these, write your scene name. My scene name is my game scene 2, and press OK. Okay, so I'm gonna change some things in my game scene 2 to make it look different. So my game scene is here. Let's add an Parker. So it's okay. Look, so I'm adding this to my game scene 2. Okay, add. Okay, this is good. It's just like stair. I think. So let's save it. You can to save it. You can go File and Save, or you can do Control S. I'm gonna do Control S, and it's saved. So let's look at it. So I started the game from my main menu because I want to look at it. So let's click, and our game is here. Game scene 1. Okay, our button, not button, but portal. Let's say it. So if we go there, it will teleport us to my game scene 2, and our teleporter is no more longer here. So this was the video. Thanks for watching. If you want more tutorial videos, just press like button and subscribe button. So goodbye.